guys, welcome to Dakshin's Fun World. Today I am going to build a birdhouse. We have two types of pieces to build the birdhouse. The first type of piece is a pentagon. Okay, the next piece is rectangles. Let's start with the base. The base has 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when we put the base here, then we have this front door. Let's insert it here. Then let's put the walls. And then let's put another wall. Now the last back door. Now it's just like a house without a roof. We need the roof. Let's first attach these two holes into. Now we have the roof. That's it. Here's our beautiful birdhouse. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.